you're gonna fall off that car.
I know. Okay, so see you at the mall.
See you at the mall. Bye. Let's go.
Hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop, you're gonna pull her. Cody just wants cupcakes. You want cupcakes?
Me too.
Okay, there's cars. I need you to stand here and be still, okay?
I just need on it. I just need on love.
You know you're pregnant when you're leaving out the house with hard-boiled eggs with salt and watermelon. And of course I have my water.
Hi.
Say hi.
We're going to the mall today. I'm going to the mall.
Okay, so see you at the mall.
See you at the mall. Bye.
You want a new car? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You a heavy boy.
You see that?
Yeah.
Find my iPad really quick, and then we'll get you checked in. What's your name? Derek. Derek? Is that what the test drive's under too? Yeah. Awesome. We both want to drive? Are we all? Is it just you, Derek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See the new car? Do you like this one?
Hey, how you
We
doing?
talked earlier. Hi, how are you? Thanks for coming in.
We basically just revamped everything.
It's not a flying car, but this is this is the new car we're gonna get.
The car that's open is it not? Those are wings. Those are wings.
They look like wings, but they're just doors.
Wings, and they just sit down. They just open by yourself.
Look, and then you see how you hop in? Hop in. Stand up.
Hey, you can put pictures in here, but you can't do video.
Oh, okay. So we just came to the mall. We came to Tesla.
Hi.
Okay, there's cars. I need you to stand here and be still, okay? We're gonna be test driving the Tesla today. This, ironically, is the exact one that I want. I want the white interior, 6 seats with the 2 captain seats. And they have one available, so I'm gonna go ahead and test drive it. They've already gave us the specs on it, and it's looking good. So babe wants to go get the car seats over there somewhere. We're gonna go ahead and test drive. I'm gonna let him drive. I don't like driving during test drive, but you know, he's anxious. When I say I want something, he'll go immediately. Like when I wanted the X6, he's like, let's go test drive it. And I'm like, we're not getting it today. He's like, let's just go test drive it. And we ended up getting it. So we're definitely not getting this today. I've been looking at other cars. I know Audi has a 7-seater. Who else? Discover, the Land Rover Discovery. There's a couple, so I don't know which one we're gonna get quite yet. But this right here is high on the list, right? Safety first, we have to put the car seats in.
Door height, automatic door locks, okay? Child protection lock. How many stations are available? If you click on it, it does. Let's see.
So Diamond will sit back here.
Right here it's
Jelly
telling you,
bean or
29
Dakota
cents
and
per
Jelly
kilowatt hour.
Bean.
There's 8 of 24 stalls available. Right, 29 cents per kilowatt hour. If you can get over here, Derek will go right.
Okay, so we just finished test driving the Tesla. I've got to pee. Diamond has to pee really, really bad. Bathroom is not. You did it? The bathroom isn't. Okay, let's go let mommy pee. The bathroom is upstairs, and he kept saying, "I'm gonna pee on myself. I'm gonna pee on myself." So I had to let him go in the men's, but the men's is pretty small. 2. Good job. The men's bathroom is pretty small, so I just asked if anyone was in there. Nobody was in there, so I kind of just left the door open so I can pay attention. But that was the first time he went into the men's, probably the last, because I don't do the whole let my kids go by themselves. But I'm gonna go ahead and pee, and then we're gonna go and talk about getting this car.
It's hot. It's hot. It's really hot. Mommy, do you know where we are now?
We're inside of Nordstrom.
Mommy, you know upstairs, Daddy.
Downstairs.
Mommy.
Come on, let's go find Daddy.
Mommy. Let's go.
Hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop, you're gonna pull her. Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy?
Yes, I'll take you to him.
Maybe he's hiding.
You good? He said, what's up, Lion Squad? Would you like a veggie bowl or no?
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Yeah, your kids are finna walk. Cody, why are you taking your bear? You can leave your bear here. Why are you taking the bear?
It's a bunny, Mommy.
It's a bunny bear. Oh, for the happy birthday cakes, I think he got them to say happy birthday on all of them. Can I switch it to half of them saying happy birthday and then half of them saying diamond? You okay? You just bit the dust? Say hi.
Hi.
So we got cupcakes. We have the ginger reveal cake at home, but they wanted some red velvet cupcakes for now.
Sit
When I
down.
Wanna get down?
Yeah, you can see us.
Cody just wants cupcakes. You want cupcakes?
Me too.
We're gonna save the cupcakes when we go home.
Mommy, we could get so we made it at the top. Under.
Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy?
No, I don't see him.
He's getting some juice?
Uncle,
Huh?
oh, he is getting juice. Okay.
Okay, so this is typically what we get at Veggie Grill.
Yummy!
The nachos are pretty fire. These are good. They're like the buffalo wings. And then Diamond got the non-spicy regular wings. And some french fries. Also the veggie burger. Why you didn't get a burger? You didn't OD'd. Huh?
It's gonna be really good.
Is your chicken still hot? Cody's eating celery. She keeps saying she's done because she wants cupcakes. I had Chipotle earlier, so I'm not really that hungry, so I'll probably just pick through fries. It's good? The ranch on it or ketchup? Go. These kids want to be so independent so bad. She wants to walk by herself. He wants to push the stroller but keeps running into stuff.
She's gonna fall off that curb.
I know. Okay, so heading into Home Goods. I just dropped Derek and the kids off at home. They both were asleep. Derek said he would drive me. I guess I misunderstood him, but I thought we were almost taking them home. And he was like, I was gonna drive you around, but I had already taken one of the kids out. This little basket ain't gonna cut it. Let's get a big basket. So I'm gonna shop and see what I can find for the house, and then I'll show you what I find. Okay, so I want a table and chair set like this for outside, but I'm pretty sure this is not outdoor. Like, I like these legs. I love that with the gray. I don't know if this is outdoor. Maybe it is. I showed you guys before the pots and pans that we got. We got our pots and pans, the Calphalon from, what is it, Bed Bath & Beyond. But they do sell them individual in Home Goods. So this one here, I think we already have this one in the set. We got the, I think it's the 11-piece set, or it's 12-piece. So they have a few more pieces that I can get and add, but I think we have one of these, so I don't need it. So I did grab one this size because I didn't get one the other day. And this is kind of like, I'm always making like beans or like macaroni and cheese for the kids or whatever, but just needed something that was like this size. They have more pieces to the set right here. I'm trying not to overdo it, but I kind of want the large one. Or should I get 2 of this size? I'm gonna just take this one home. I think my biggest issue is that I always overbuy and we don't have enough space. They also have these that are the same brand, the Kaufland brand. But I kind of feel like with these, everything just burns easy. So I'm just gonna stay away from those. I kind of feel like this one is like a perfect size, and this also goes with the set. So I may get this one. Okay, so I had a whole basket of stuff and I pretty much dumped everything that I had because I'm like, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. So basically I got this picture frame. This is to go upstairs, and this is for our mommy and daddy picture from our trip. We need new of these for, you know, Q-tips and cotton swabs. I've been more into like the simple look lately. Usually I go for like the more gaudy, like rhinestone, blah blah blah. But lately I've just been more into like clean and simple. And then I'm thinking of getting these 2 to go outside. I'm not sure if they will hold up outside because they are fake, obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna take one and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna come back and get the other one later. Okay, so I just left Sally's and then I peeked my head into Party City. In the morning we're gonna do the gender reveal. So the cake that I got for the gender reveal is pretty much looks like this with a girl or boy with a question mark in these like same type of vibrant colors. And I did that because I knew they had this set here so it would match. So I'm gonna just do a little table and I'm gonna just have like these little things set in there. You know, like the plates, a little confetti, a tablecloth. I'm gonna get these balloons blown up. I'm gonna have them blow them up tonight so I can pick them up in the morning. I think I'm gonna get an extra pack and just take 2 trips so that there's like a lot of balloons in the video. And then I got one of these balloons where you just pull the tab at the bottom and it will let out the confetti with the girl or the boy. I'm covering the gender just in case this goes up before the gender reveal. I also got some champagne bottles from Walmart that will like spew out the color, and they're black as well. And then of course the cake has the gender, so kind of gonna just let the kids have fun and just, you know, do all of them. And then for Diamond's party I grabbed a bunch of stuff. Long story short, we're gonna go to Great Wolf Lodge for his birthday and we're gonna spend the night there. Last year he did a big party and he had fun. This year I kind of just felt like let's just keep it a little bit low-key. So it's just gonna be us, and then I did invite like my godparents and my god siblings and stuff like that. Diamond's still at that age where like if 2 people show up and there's cake and like party stuff, he feels like he had a party. So I just got him some wrapping paper so I can wrap a couple of you know, gifts for the table. This is gonna be for his birthday party at school on Monday. I'm gonna bring pizza and cupcakes to his school and he'll be able to wear this all day as birthday boy. And then like I said, I'm not going all out. I just want him to feel like it was festive. So I just got these 2 cute little buckets and I'm just gonna fill one with his favorite candy, which is Reese's, and then like some ring pops because I feel like they get less messy even though they get all over the kids' mouths. And then like this can go on the door and it comes with the little props, and this for the table. Basically I just want to make him a cool table, you know, of course the banner. So basically he'll just have a cool table that makes him feel like, you know, we did the most. And of course I got the cake plates and stuff like that and a tablecloth. And then also I was gonna get him every single costume. You guys know my baby loves costumes. So he has Hulk, but it's old and all his costumes are dirty. So I was just gonna buy him one of each with all of the Avengers as one of his gifts. So far we got who is this? Captain America, Hulk.
I just need some dick. I just need some love.
I don't even know the words, but Summerella is lit and I've been sleeping on her so hard. Let me not get copyrighted by the girl, but I've been listening to her music this last couple of days and she is lit. Shout out to her. But I am finally home and I have literally a car full of stuff. All of the Party City stuff. My plant I had to stuff in here, so I'm gonna pull it out and get everything in the house. I need to literally just put this stuff in the house and go back out. Sephora VIB Rouge sale started, so I want to go and get some stuff from that, but it might make more sense for me to just go ahead and order online and do the 2-day shipping since I am Rouge. So I finally got to it. I'm trying to switch up the way I do my hair content videos just to make it a little bit easier on myself and kind of like not necessarily mass produce, but like mass prep the things that will not necessarily need to be shown. So for these, I really didn't do like an unboxing. I just went ahead and prepped by bleaching the knots. And kind of how I bleach my knots, I use BW bleach and a 30 volume developer. I kind of spray down the baby hairs and flyaways and basically the hairline to make sure that it doesn't over bleach or get any bleach on the, I'm so winded, but I make sure it doesn't get on the hairline so that way as it's bleaching the actual hairs won't turn, which is sometimes a common mistake. And yeah, so this one is going to be done first, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. And I kind of remember by heart what everything is.